So this is the fan. This is Atomberg Smart Studio Plus fan. Okay. So I bought this color white and silver, and it has many feature. Okay. So let me show you. So you can connect the fan through Bluetooth. Here you can see I have connect my fan through Bluetooth. So once you click on this, it is showing device not in range because the fan is switch off now. I guess this is connected now. Yes, this is connected. So I just tap here and you can see it starts running. It's on. So from here you can control the speed also. 4, 5. Okay, usually I keep it at 3, and so from here you can set the timer, sleep mode, and the LED. There is 5 LED within the fan. So you can see I have on the LEDs. Okay. So the light is not very high. Let me switch off my main light so that you can understand. So this is like that, and it has a small remote also. Okay, so this is the remote. Okay, from here also you can control it. So overall it's good. Okay, I am happy with the product.